Back on the Barbie Kart again today. We've got an absolutely massive list of things that we need to do to finish this thing off. So we're going to start by getting the engine mount done and then move on to brake and throttle assemblies, as well as getting the pedal boxes finalized. So yeah, as I said, lots of work. So we're going to get stuck into it right now. Okay, we've pretty much finished all the fabrication on this thing now. We're pretty happy with how it's all turned out. Got the radiators in place, fixed the body mounts. We've bead rolled these panels and shortened them up, added a couple of extra mounting points to take out some of the tinniness that this thing had before. Shortened up the chain guard and reinstalled that. And then on the front here, we've modified and strengthened the pedal boxes. And then we've made a new mount for the brake pedal. We've done a new mount on this side here for the accelerator pedal. And we're able to then move the accelerator cable out of the way and run it through the actual shock mount there. And that has now allowed us to modify the Kickstarter and get it further inboard, which will be able to give us more room to get our foot in there and hopefully make this thing a little bit easier to start, as it was quite a pain earlier. Made up a new exhaust mount and had to move the exhaust forward a little bit, as the new suspension and everything was now in the way of where the original exhaust mount is. So, oh yeah, got the brake done as well. So that's all pretty much ready now. The next step here is to strip it down completely, and then we can start welding it all out, paint it, final assembly, and then we can finally go rip this thing. So we're going to get stuck into that right now. All right, as you can see, we've got this thing all back together now. Extremely happy with how it turned out. The suspension works really well. We just got some fine tuning to do with it. We have to adjust the air pressure in the upper air chamber and then probably add some to the negative air chamber just to get this thing to sit at the right height that we want while also being as stiff as we would like it to be. The steering turned out really well. We've got plenty of lock on both sides with no going over center or anything, which was a big concern for us earlier while we were trying to set it up. So that'll do it for this episode. In the next episode, we're finally going to take this thing out for a rip. So make sure you subscribe so you can check it out.